In this lesson, we will do some questions to practice conversion of units from degrees to radians and vice versa. Let's get started with questions. The first question which is given is convert the following angles in degrees. So the given angle is in radians. So question number 1, given angle is equal to 2 pi by 3 radians. If we remember the equivalent of radians, it's easy to convert. The amount of angle will be written as such. The only thing that will change is instead of writing radian, we'll write its equivalent in degrees, which is equal to 180 over pi. And then we will write degrees. So now if we simplify this expression, this will become 2 pi over 3 times 180 over pi degrees, and this is equal to, if we cancel pi with pi and 3 with 60, this will become 120 degrees. And we can write, instead of writing the word degree, we can write just the symbol of degree, which is a small 0 on the upper right corner of 120. So now question number 2. For question number 2, we are going to convert 3 radians. So the given angle is equal to 3 radians. This time there is no pi that is given, but we are going to write the amount of angle as such, and will write equivalent of radian, which is 180 over pi. So 180 over pi degrees, just like before, but because this time pi is not present in the amount of angle, therefore we might need to use the calculator to divide 180 by pi. The value of pi is 22 over 7, or it's equal to 3.14 something. So let's convert this 180 over pi on the calculator, and this should give us 3 times 57.296 degrees. This is the value. If we divide 180 by pi on calculator, this is what we get. And now upon multiplication, this will be equal to 171.888 degrees. Degrees are, if we want to use the sign or the symbol of degrees, that is 171.888 degrees. So let's do the next question, which is question number 3. In question number 3, what we have is, we are given degrees and we will be required to convert degrees into radians. So given angle is equal to 120 degrees, and or 120 degrees, let's write it in words, and we know equivalent of degree is equal to, in terms of radians, because we want to change it into radians, so 120 times pi over 180. That is equivalent of degree into radians. So let's cancel it out and reduce this fraction into lowest form. This would be equal to if we divide the numerator and denominator by 6, this would give us 2 pi by 3 radians. So equivalent of 120 degree is 2 pi by 3. If we take a look, if this is theta is equal to 0 and this is theta is equal to 60 degree, its equivalent is pi over 3, and the second multiple of 60 would be 120, which will be here somewhere, and this will be theta is equal to 2 pi by 3, and then this would be theta is equal to, this will be third multiple, 0, 3, 120, and this would be 3 pi by 3. This would be 3 pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3. That's the way we go around here, that theta is equal to 4 pi by 3. We can simplify this. Anyway, this is how we convert angle in degrees into radians. And now the fourth one is we want to convert 135, one given angle is equal to 135 degrees. Again, we can write degree in symbol or in words. 135 degrees, and if we write equivalent of a degree, that would be equal to 135 times pi over 180, pi divided by 180, and then radians. So clearly, if we divide this numerator and denominator by 45, this will be 3 pi by 4 radians. And now the last one, fifth one, that is given angle is equal to 225 degrees. This is fifth multiple of pi by 4. So if we follow the same procedure, 225 times pi over 180, and then radians, we will get, upon dividing 45 in the numerator and in the denominator, we will get 5 pi over 4 radians. And just like pi by 3 earlier, here this is the line for theta is equal to 0, and 45 degree angle is theta is equal to pi by 4, and its second multiple is theta is equal to 2 pi by 4, which is pi by 2, and third multiple is theta is equal to 3 pi by 4, which is 135, and fourth multiple is theta is equal to 4 pi by 4, which is equal to pi or 180 degree, and fifth multiple is theta is equal to 5 pi by 4, which is 225 degree, and 270 would be theta is equal to 6 pi by 4, and this angle is going to be theta is equal to 7 pi by 4, and the last one, coinciding with theta is equal to 0, would be 8 pi by 4. So this would be 8 pi by 4. So this is how we take standard angles like theta is equal to 30 degree and write all its multiples. Theta is equal to 60 degree, which is pi by 3, and then write all its multiples in terms of pi, and same with theta is equal to pi by 4, same with theta is equal to pi by 2. This way you will get used to converting degrees into radians and radians into degree for well-known angles.